Dr. O. Skip breakfast, burn fat all day. The easiest way to start fasting, 16-8 method. Hi again. In the last video, we talked about intermittent fasting and how it can help you lose weight, feel better, and even live longer. Today, let's dive deeper into one of the most popular and beginner-friendly fasting methods. The 16-8 method. What is 16-8 fasting? It's simple. You fast for 16 hours, and you eat during an 8-hour window. That means you skip breakfast. Only eat lunch and dinner, usually between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m., for example. What happens during fasting? During the 16 hours, your body uses stored fat for energy. This helps burn fat naturally and gives your digestive system a break, which can improve gut health too. Also, your insulin levels drop, which helps your body access fat stores more easily. Why 16 hours? It may sound long, but remember, you're sleeping through half of it. If you finish dinner by 8 p.m. and skip breakfast, you're already fasting until noon without even noticing it. What to eat in the 8-hour window? Fasting isn't a free pass to eat anything. In your eating window, choose whole foods. Healthy proteins, like eggs, beans, or fish. Vegetables, fruits, and healthy fats, like nuts and olive oil. Drink plenty of water and unsweetened drinks during the fast, like green tea or black coffee. Who is 16-8 good for? Beginners who want a simple, flexible fasting routine. People with busy mornings. Anyone looking to lose weight without counting calories. Important notes. If you feel dizzy or tired, break your fast gently. Don't overeat in the eating window. If you have medical conditions, talk to your doctor first. Final thoughts. Fasting 16-8 is more than a trend. It's a lifestyle shift that helps you reconnect with your body's natural rhythm. Try it for 1 week. Your body will thank you. Your mind will feel clearer. And your energy might surprise you. And if you want to explore other fasting styles like OMAD or 5-2, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe Dr. O channel, and share this video with someone who wants to start fasting the easy way. Thanks for watching Dr. O. Dr. O.